Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We are in the DoubleTree by Hilton SeaWorld, Orlando SeaWorld. So this is right across from SeaWorld. You can actually take a walkway. So we're gonna take a little look here. Interested? Keep on watching. Okay, we're in room 700. This is on the building number 7 on the first floor, and we're facing the resort, and the pools and everything is over there. It's raining, it's nighttime, we're not gonna film that now. So we get in with our key, and all right, so this is what we're walking into. This is a queen double room in the villas. So we're walking into this. Here's your door we just walked in from. You have your lock. This is perfect because since we're in one of these resorts that's like facing like the elements, I like that extra protection. Here is your AC with the shades. Those are your blackout shades. These are your blackout shades. Those are your sheer shades. We'll open that in the morning because right now you can't see anything anyway. And here's your light, which isn't working. Okay. I don't know why. Okay, so this isn't working. We're gonna have to call that down. Call that so that they can fix that. Yeah, this doesn't do anything. Here's your chair. And you have a mirror. Here's your desk, which I'm gonna set up my computer here. A swivel chair, just like we have at home. Hand wipes. We get one. All right, so we get one. And next to your desk, here's that furniture with just a piece of furniture with 4 drawers. This is kind of open already. Strange. And this is a little, not as deep. So you get 4 drawers. That one's like, this is the deeper one, and that's just a little bit. Here's your television. Your ice bucket with these little cups. Television. Coffee maker for 2. So you can make 2 at a time. That's cool. And this here is another piece of furniture that has, let's look inside. Your iron, your hangers, some shelf space, your safe for your valuables, and a little mini fridge. You can store your soda cans and everything in here. This is weird that it's in the closet, but okay. I'll take it. It's fine. We don't need to be looking at a fridge anyway. Okay, so there's that. So this thing is like kind of tilted. How strange. Oh, here's your, you could put your luggage on there. Okay, so anyway, that furniture is not touching the wall, and I'm guessing it's probably because of this lock off. So there you have another door. Okay, now here is your bathroom part, which has one of these doors that, these like barn doors that you can slide open and shut. So that's how that looks. I didn't close it all the way, but it does close all the way. Oh, maybe not. Nope. Okay, so I guess not. So that's as far as it goes. I'll figure out why later. So there's your barn door. And there's your thermostat. That's weird. Because there's your AC, which you control here. Okay, all right. We'll check that out later. Here's your artwork. We'll take a look at this in a second. So back to the bathroom. Here's your big mirror. Hey. And your lights. Look at this. Light isn't working. So we're gonna have to call that down. Our tissues, which we love. Whenever we see tissues, we get excited. Because for some reason, during the pandemic, each and every room that we were in didn't have tissues. Here's your Crabtree and Evelyn body lotion, conditioner, or shampoo. Here's your soap. I already know that I need more towels. This is like not enough. And your lights. Here's your bathroom with the toilet and towels. You can recycle. So non-recyclable and recyclable. Your shower curtain, and here's your shower head. Got soap in here. Tub is a little banged up, but okay, what are we gonna do? So there's your weird bathtub. And oh wait, let's check this out. So this is the door. So here's your door with a full-length mirror, and inside here, here's your door. You could lock it. You can hang up your towels, and then your light. This guy. Okay, so there's that. Oh, here you could put all your toiletries. We'll see how we end up messing this room up later. So again, let's kind of walk through one more time. Yeah, so this is nice, it's cozy. I know we're gonna like this. And again, your 2 beds, your phone. Here you could charge your charger port, you can charge everything. Your little alarm clock with more USB. Oh, it took the Bible, so your Bible isn't there. And here you could store more plugs. Turn that on and off. And yeah, there you go. So I'm actually gonna call down now so that they can get bulbs. So a bulb for here, a bulb for there, and I already know that I'm gonna need more pillows. Did I find any here? Nope. So I'm gonna ask for more pillows, and you know what? Since we're already at it, I'm just gonna ask for more towels. We got a house drink voucher. We're gonna use that now, and 2 bottles of water. Okay, so we're gonna go get this now. Every morning they have free continental breakfast, or well, free for the diamond members, and there's a price for this, so you don't have to necessarily be a diamond member, but sausage, bacon, the bacon. These are your jams and jellies for your French toast and pancakes. Your French toast. With my stuff I already ordered. Croissants and some groceries. And some of this is biscuits and gravy. I got some fruit. The omelet station. And you have juices. So I got mine to go. So let's do this and get to it. The morning, we got our continental breakfast to go. So I'm gonna show you that later. I showed you the breakfast area. So now we're gonna walk back. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see how we can walk through the hotel. And there's a couple of fun things that the kids can do. And we're gonna walk right by them. There's a pool back there. There's a fountain. This looks really pretty at night. There's a pool here. You'll see that later. Because I want to show you this end of the resort, which I didn't even know existed, and I've stayed here a couple of times. Okay, so here, signs. Villas 3 through 8, that's where we're at. And then 9 through 11 are this way. There's a different pathway. So Hideaway Cove, maybe that's the family part? Family fun pool and a walkway to SeaWorld. So that's not that far, this pool. So this is where it starts getting cute. There's a ping pong table over here. There's like a big chess area. Right, that's ping pong. And then here's the family fun pool. Well, I really want to come to this family fun pool. What is this, foosball? And then your checkers area. I don't want to go in this family fun pool because there's people here. There's kids. But this is the pool. I'll check that out later. Yeah, so this is it. We'll walk back to them. So I believe that this is building 8. So building 8. If you want to be right next to this family fun pool, you're gonna choose. Oh no, this is building 7. I'm actually right in front of the pool. So here you go. So this is building 7. Yeah, 900s. So this is 7, and then that over there is building 8. Okay, great. And then actually this is a really good little area to be in because you have also the walkway to SeaWorld. It's right here. So walkway to SeaWorld, building 8, building 7, pool. It's perfect. Parking lot. Awesome. Alright, so we wrapped up our stay at the DoubleTree by Hilton Orlando at SeaWorld. And I just want to mention a couple of things that I didn't mention before. I chose this hotel because of the location. I was there for work and I needed to be by the Orange County Convention Center, and it's right there. It's literally like maybe like a block or 2 down. So you come out and then you just go over a bridge and you're at the convention center, and it's really close to SeaWorld. You can walk there. And also I drive, so if what you're gonna do is go to restaurants and entertain people, then iDrive is right there, so you have a choice of many different restaurants. Publix is right there too. So would I stay there again? Yeah, probably. Maybe not. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to say no because it's really the location, and I just kind of wish that it was refurbished, you know, because it did have a little used up needed a refurb feel. So thank you so much. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. We're always doing these travel videos and doing all kinds of other things like crafts and all kinds of funny things. So subscribe, hit on that notification button, and hit on that bell wherever it is so that you can get notified whenever I post my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.